Hello Year 5, this is your Big Maths for Thursday the 4th of February. You'll need your maths book and you'll need to write Big Maths and today's date. We're going to be practicing our CLIC skills that we've been working on over the last couple of days. So your Squiggleworth number today is 15.09 or 15.09. I've asked you to partition it into 3 different parts. So write the number out, have a go at partitioning it and press play again when you're ready to check. So this number has got a digit in the tens column and the ones column today, as well as a digit in the tenths and hundredths. So my 1 in my tens column stands for 10, the 5 in the ones column stands for 5, and the 9 in the hundredths column stands for 0.09 or 0.09. I know there's a 0 in my tenths column, that just stands for 0, 0 tenths, 0 anything. So I don't need to partition that part unless I want to. Our Learn It's facts today, I've got some missing numbers in the calculations today, so I'm wondering how quickly you can spot what the missing numbers are. So I'll show you them, then you can press pause and write down what the missing numbers are as quickly as you can. Off you go. Right, let's check those missing numbers. So 7 add 5 equals 12. The missing number in something add 8 equals 14 is 6. And 5 add 8 equals 13. Okay, keep practicing those addition facts at home to try and get them as speedy as you can. For It's Nothing New this week, we are dividing by 10, where our answer is a decimal number. So I've got 2 calculations here, one where we're dividing by 10 and one where we're dividing by 100. If you think you know how to do this based on the last 2 videos, you could pause the video now and have a go, and then press play again when you want to check the answers. If you don't feel confident with this skill yet and you'd like to have a look at how to solve that, and we'll work through it together, then you can carry on watching and we'll go through it together step by step. So pause now if you want to have a go. If not, carry on playing and we will go through the steps together. Now, I've got 3-digit numbers today, so I actually need an extra column for my place value chart. So I'm just going to add a hundreds column. I have to make that H a lot smaller so it fits in with the rest of my place value chart. So this is going to be my hundreds column. And you can imagine that that was there all along. So my first calculation is 135 divided by 10. So when I divide by 10, I move the digits 1 space to the right. Have a think now where my digits are going to be. Okay, I'm moving my 5 ones into the tenths column. I'm moving my 3 tens into the ones column and my 100 into the tens column. So I've got 13.5. Okay, my next calculation is 246 divided by 100. So this is my imaginary hundreds column, then my tens column and my ones column. Think about how many spaces I'm going to move my digits this time and what direction they're moving in. So that's right, to divide by 100 and make my number 100 times smaller, I move the digits 2 spaces to the right to make them 100 times smaller. So the 6 ones will become 6 hundredths, the 4 tens will become 4 tenths, and the 2 hundreds will become 2 ones. So I'll have 2.46. So you may have had a go at that by yourself, and you might check your answers now, or you might have stayed with me and practice that together. That's fine. If you'd like to do some more practice of that, you could always set yourself some other challenges, any numbers divided by 10 or 100. Okay, and our last skill is calculation. We're multiplying 1 digit by 2 digits using partitioning and doing it mentally with our times tables. So today, I'd like you to think of the 2 calculations that you can split 7 times 46 into. So 7 times and 7 times, okay? Then have a go at solving them and add them together to find your answer. So complete all of those steps yourself. Press pause before you do that and then press play again when you're ready to go through it together. Okay, so the two calculations I would have used were 7 times 40 and 7 times 6 to split 46 into 40 and 6. 7 times 40 is 280 and 7 times 6 is 42. I then need to find the total of those two to find the product of 7 times 46, which is 322. Check yours, see how you got and I'm sure you've put in a really good effort this morning, Year 5. So well done, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you again tomorrow for some more Big Maths.